Next, let us do question number 2. Today morning, I arranged the books in the almirah of my room. In each shelf, I arranged the books equal to the number of shelves of almirah, but 5 books remained out of the almirah. If the total number of books are 86, find the number of shelves of the almirah. So, you need to understand this part carefully, that whenever you are finding out the square root value of any number, that has to be a perfect square. Otherwise, you will not be able to get the perfect value of the square root. So, the solution is total number of books is 86. Next, if 5 books remained out, that means 5 books remained out means 5 books is extra over here. 5 books is extra. So, then the number of books arranged in the shelf is total number of books minus 5. Total number of books is 86 minus 5 if you do, you will get 81. So, this is the number of books which has been arranged in the shelf. And also it is given in the question, one condition is given, that number of shelves equals to number of books arranged in each shelf. Number of shelves equals to number of books arranged in each shelf. Then the number of shelves of the almirah will be, just like the previous sum, we take the value of the square root. So, root over of 81, if you factorize 81, you will get 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now, that means in total you are getting 4 3's. You can pair them up, and from a single pair, one pair, one numbers come out, one number will come out. So, 3 into 3, which is equals to 9. So, there are 9 shelves in the almirah. Next one, question number 3. It is given, in the playground, we decided to arrange ourselves and stand in a square form. After some have formed the square, it's found that 4 friends are staying apart. If they join the square, it will not remain square anymore. 40 students were present today in our class. Calculate in this arrangement how many students are there in each row. So, here the total number of students present is 40 and 4 friends are extra. Means if we try to arrange the students in form of a square, then we find that 4 students are extra. So, that means what is the actual number of students that is needed so that the arrangement can be made in the form of a square, in a form of a square array. So, here what we do is, from the total number of students present, we subtract 4. So, 40 minus 4 is 36 students. So, in the square, each row will have root over of 36 students. So, now root over of 36 is root over of 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now, from this pair of 2, you are going to take out a single 2, and from this pair of 3, you are going to take out a single 3. So, the square root value is 2 into 3, that is 6 students. So, there are 6 students in each row. This is what you are getting as the answer. The question was how many students were there in each row. So, this is the answer, 6 students were there in each row. Now, in these type of sums, the main thing which you need is that whatever will be given, because in a square root sum, suppose this is a square. If I try to make the arrangement in this format, suppose number of rows will be equals to number of columns, right? Here you can see that 4 columns are present and 4 rows. So, each students, the number of students in each row will be equal to as many rows are there, as many total number of rows are formed. So, that is why we are considering both to be as the same, both the number of students as x and also the number of students in each row as x, and also the total number of rows as x. Thereby, if we do in this format, like x into x, say suppose 36, just in this sum. So, x square will be equals to 36. Then For calculating the value of x, what we do? We simply take out the square root of 36, that is 6. So, the total number of students in each row will be 6. And you already, it is mentioned in the question that 4 students are extra. So, that means if I leave out that 4 students, then we can form 6 rows with 6 students standing in each row. Okay children, so you are going to work out these sums in your classwork notebook. Thank you for today.